basic.
Ma'am, what do you do as a profession?
As a profession, I was a retired bank manager. Now, just I have gone for inauguration of Hamara station, Hamari Shan, for painting beautification. And in morning, I have run marathon. So amazing.
You're putting us to shame.
Yeah. So that's dedicated to pink and one, I can say. So they have taken a task for the ladies. And what importance of the ladies? Yeah, this is showing the achievements are doing. So that is a really beautiful thing. I can say it's a beautiful because if you will save your strength and you can extend yourself, it's amazing. And you have to save yourself and safety. That is a big deal. Okay.
Okay, now who else? आप में से कोई आएगा? बच्चों में से कोई बोलेगा कुछ? शर्म आ रही है?
Grandmom and
ठीक है. Come. Get up. Come on. So this is 3 generation. Hi, what's your name? So, आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे?
I'm getting nervous right now.
Don't be nervous.
Let
Don't be nervous. जो मन में आता तुम.
my mom start. Let us speak. She's preparing speech.
अच्छा मॉम तो बहन लग रही है ना?
एक्चुअली क्या हुआ मुझे इंग्लिश आती नहीं
कोई बात नहीं.
तो मेरी फ्रेंड ने बताया कि हाँ ये सब सिखाते हैं तो मैं बोली ये लोग लेक्चर देंगे तो इंग्लिश में देंगे मैं तो समझूंगी नहीं कैसे जाऊँ तो बोलते कि नहीं सब गुजराती है आप जाओ तो मुझे अच्छा गुजराती है तब मैं जाती हूँ फिर मैं इतनी खुश हो गई मैं मेरी बेटी को बोली कि चल सब गुजराती है अब चल ना मजा आएगा चल गुजराती में भी बात करेंगे वो लोग एक्सप्लेन भी गुजराती
Actually, I should start martial art dandiya. It'd be great, I think. Okay.
फिर उसकी बेटी को हम लोग 3 जनरेशन चलो अच्छी हो गए और अभिषेक सर जतिन सर खान सर विपुल सर बहुत अच्छी तरह से गुजराती पहले मुझे ही बोलते थे समझ में आवियो कि नहीं मैं क्योंकि आवियो हमने इतनी अच्छी तरह से समझाते थे सच्ची में और एक इंसिडेंट मैं बताना चाहती हूँ एक बार मेरी फ्रेंड ने पीछे से बाल खींचा मैं तुरंत जाके धक्का मारा उसका नाक में विचार लगा बोले कि एकाएक तू क्यों ऐसा आ गई मैं बोली मैंने सीखा है बोलती थी उन लोगों के आओ नहीं उसमें नहीं जाना ऐसा क्या अभी कभी में सिखाते मुझे नहीं जाना अच्छा ओके नहीं जाना अब देखना मेरा फोटो अक्षय कुमार के साथ
motivating us and जब घर से हम लोग निकलते हैं मैं निकलती हूँ तो पहले she used to remind me कि मोबाइल लिया मैंने बोला हाँ अभी now after this course she is like चाबी ली 3 स्लोगन याद है
चाबी में बताइए क्या क्या होता है ताकि इनको भी पता चले.
I don't have the key right now.
Yeah, give it, show it. See, this is what we use there.
Yeah, this is key to this tool. It's like in emergency कुछ भी हो कोई पीछे से अटैक करे साइड से अटैक करे at least you have this as a
And also the whistle.
yeah whistle yeah whistle.
So this is just to make.
Call for help.
Well, thank you.
सर इसको आधी रात से भी उठा के पूछती थी ना तुरंत उसको याद आता था कैसा करना है
अरे वाह.
आपको कुछ बोलना है नहीं
बोल
तो कुछ है
बोल मैं बोलूँ तो मैं
चाली बोल. Thank you very much. So, बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि जब आप लोगों को देखते हैं और आप लोग इतना मन लगा के सीखते हैं And I think the one person we have to all thank is Aditya. You know, he's given this home. We are actually all, that's true, we all a team. And it's nice. And I'm sure, see, हम लोग तो चाहते हैं कि और भी लड़कियां आए, औरतें आए, सीखें. This is the right age. Confidence is the most important thing, which I'm sure you guys are all getting that. Anybody wants to say something else about confidence? How confident the person is? You want to come? Come. Tell everybody your name and your profession. And if you feel like, you can say your age also.
It was my birthday last night, so I'm officially 27 now.
Okay, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Later.
And my experience here, like I obviously knew Akshay Kumar as an institute. And you know, like it happens with all of us. When we are late in the night, we like call up mom and say, you know, it's safe. But we know it's not. And then when the street is really filled with idiots, you've got to take care. And then I Google and I will get myself to come here. But if there's a world like it, I'm the most anti-sports person and the weakest person alive. So I thought I can never do it. So when I was here, I was still trembling. And as reluctant as I was, I'm glad I actually came here because everybody was like, you know, you can do it. It's not about how much strength you've got. It's about how much of determination you have that you're not going to give up. And if I can do it, anybody can do it. And trust me, as safe as it could be, it's still our responsibility. Like for late night shoots, you do get scared. Like, you know, it's all pitch dark and if it's Film City, you're like, I'm gonna die right now. So that is the moment you have like a skill with you and that teaches you. And today, if I call up Ma, I'm still a little more confident. I can say that, you know, it's okay. I'm gonna make it home. I'm gonna make it home in one piece and it's gonna be okay. So all these people, when they teach, the best part is that whenever you make a mistake, they come to you and they actually correct that mistake right there. So that, you know, in a mass production thing, like so many people are there and you're repeating the same thing over and over again. So they correct you right there. So you're not actually repeating it. And today when I walk in a railway station or something, it's the best example of people around and protecting yourself. Nowadays my hand just moves in like this. Like I do not get hit by anybody. That is a
Now, are you
confidence.
married?
No.
Okay. Something about it, what will happen to your husband when you do this?
Prepared.
It's Swagan.
Thank you.
You want to say? इधर आइए. क्या नाम है आपका? अच्छा, अंजलि? पटेल. अच्छा, गुजरात से आए? ओके, अभी भी शादी हुई? 3 साल हो गए. अच्छा, बोलिए बताइए. पटेल जी.
मैं आपको बहुत बड़ी बात बताना चाहती हूँ. इसमें जो ये ट्रेनिंग है ना, वो मेरी सास मुझे लेके आई थी.
सास भी?
सास
वेरी गुड.
वो
वेरी गुड.
भी
सास
आई
है?
है.
आइए.
आप बैठेंगे? बोलिए.
पहले मैं मायके में थी तब मुझे बहुत डरी सी रहती थी. मेरे घर में भी ऐसे लड़कों की वजह से मेरी शादी भी जल्दी हो गई और मैं ससुराल में आकर मेरी सास ने मुझे कहा कि ऐसा मत करना, घर के बैठ के कुछ नहीं होता, बाहर निकलो और ये सब का जवाब दो. एक बार इनको पता चला कि आपका वो ट्रेनिंग आने वाला है, तब उसने मेरा नाम लिखवा दिया और अब उनका भी नाम लिखवा दिया.
वेरी गुड.
पहले मेरा लिखवाया, बाद में उनकी बेटी का लिखवाया.
अच्छा.
इस तरह से हम 3 लोगों ट्रेनिंग में जाते हैं. हाँ. एक बार मैं जब संडे को क्लासेस से घर आ रही थी तब मैं अकेली थी. मेरी सास को कुछ काम था इसलिए वो नहीं आती और बहन भी नहीं आई. मैं अकेली थी. तब एक लड़के ने मुझे छेड़ा मेरी बाइक के पास से. तो फिर स्कूटर चला रही थी, तब से मुझे फॉलो करा था. जब से क्लास से तब मुझे वो सबको फूल लगाया कि आपकी वजह से वो इतना कर सकी।
वेरी
Very,
नाइस।
विस्मी प्रसाद सर मेरे गुरु वो ऑलवेज कहते हैं कि बैड सिचुएशन में मेंटल फिटनेस इज द वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट। जो डर गया वो मर गया।
थैंक यू, बहुत बहुत आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार है कि आप ये बताएं और भी पड़ोसियों को भी बताएं आप। अच्छा, थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक यू। सो जैसे उन्होंने कहा, जो डर गया होली कब है? Okay. So it is so nice to see you girls, ladies, just smiling, being confident. And I would say कि हम तो चाहेंगे कि और भी पूरा हिंदुस्तान, it should become a compulsory thing for all the women to learn martial art. This has to be a compulsory thing. कि कभी भी कोई किसी लड़की को छेड़ने से पहले सोचे.
So can I say something?
Yes, you want to say come.
I'm really sorry.
Come. You're from Paris? Come, sit.
I'm really sorry to take your time, but I'm married since 2 years, and my husband actually cheated upon me quite a number of times. And he was mentally, physically abusive to me. But mentally, I was totally drained. But when he started physical attacks to me, I could save myself because of these techniques. So I really want that every married, unmarried girl should do this, because I know how much I saved myself during the physical attacks from my husband. So thank you so much. I just wanted to share because other people also should know that you should be very strong. As she said, I'm mentally totally distressed because of this, but physically I could get away out of this. So that's
But now, what is now the situation? What is it now?
like yesterday only
You want me to interfere in this?
Because he's not allowed to do that. You can complain. You can do something.
Yeah, that is up to you. You have to take a call.
You don't have to take this. You don't have to bear this.
No man is ever allowed to raise their hand on any woman.
and he was
No man is ever allowed.
Not even your father. No one's allowed.
So it is up to you. It is your call. You have Aditya here. You have me here. You have Alia here. You have everybody supporting you. Don't ever feel that you are alone.
Don't fear.
You have all these black belts standing behind you. You can anytime tell any of them. The complaint can be launched in 5 minutes.
Yes.
Where do you stay?
Meera Road, sir.
Meera Road. So if you want any help, please tell us. Okay? But the call has to come from you.
Yes.
Don't worry, don't fear. Yes, ma'am. You want to say? Come.
My name is Amrita Chandra. I'm from Bengal originally. I'm from Kolkata. I shifted to Mumbai 3 years back. And Mumbai has given me a lot of things. She told that she has been physically assaulted by her husband. But my husband is my inspiration. We have been married for 11 years now. I have a kid of 4.5 years. And he always used to tell me that, why don't you join something in self-defense, or why don't you have any interest in karate or something. Like what happened is, I'm from a very mediocre background and I was very timid, and as you can see my bone structure is also not very good. So what happened at the age, can you guess my age, sir?
You must be, ma'am, 32?
I'm 36.
36.
So, so at this age of 36, I have joined self-defense. And now when I'm in the street, I am very confident that at least कोई आएगा तो मैं डर के मारे चुप नहीं बैठूंगी. I was yeah, so if I just want to thank my husband in this platform that he has always been an inspiration to me, and what I am at this stage is just because of him.
जितने भी फोटोग्राफर्स हैं मैं आपको बता दूं कि आप लोगों ने जो जो यहाँ सुना है, आप फोटो लेके जाओगे, मीडिया में दोगे. आई एम नॉट कॉल द मीडिया हियर, बट आप लोग जो कुछ सुनते हो सके तो मीडिया वालों को बताना ताकि दे राइट इट डाउन. इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट कि हम एक मैसेज भेजना चाहते हैं कि इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट ऑल द वुमेन इन आवर कंट्री लर्न मार्शल आर्ट, दे लर्न टू डिफेंड. अब मैं इंसानों को, आदमियों को तो सिखा नहीं सकता हूँ, उनको तो मतलब कभी ना कभी कहीं गलत जगह पे आप हो, यू कैन डिफेंड योर सेल्फ. एंड जैसे मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ कि आदमी जो होता है वो औरत से 10 गुना ज़्यादा डरपोक होता है. इट्स अ नोन फैक्ट. और वो सिचुएशन में हमेशा डरता है. शायद आप लोगों को मैं एक किस्सा बताता हूँ जो बहुत पहले हुआ था. शायद मैं पहले बता चुका हूँ लेकिन एक और बार बताता हूँ क्योंकि यू ऑल आर द न्यू पीपल हियर. It's a real story which I'm going to tell them. In Toronto, a plane was landing, and it was a crash landing, and it was landing on the Lake Ontario. Lake Ontario पे लैंड हो रहा था और जब वो क्रैश लैंड हुआ लेकिन सब बच गए. सब बच गए जब पानी के अंदर जाके उन लोगों ने खोला दरवाज़ा. जब प्लेन जो था पानी के ऊपर था, दरवाज़ा खोला. Do you know what smell was coming from there? Urine. Urine smell was coming, and 96% of men had peed in their pants. And women, 32% of women had peed. So this shows कि at time of emergency या कोई भी जिंदगी में कभी problem होती है, men are more scared than women. It is scientifically, there are many other reasons also why they are very bad. That's why it's मतलब आप लोग जो आपके अंदर जो सहन शक्ति है वो हम में नहीं है. And which I have seen, I used to conduct stunts also. I have seen women doing stunts, men doing stunts, and how women react to stunts, and how women react to when there is any kind of emergency. तो मैं यही कहूँगा कि आप लोग अपने पड़ोसियों को, लोगों को बताएं कि इधर आके सीखें. और जैसे कि आप सब जानते हैं, this is all free of cost. We don't want any money from anybody. We just want this to go on and on and on, so that we can build more and more confidence that Mumbai becomes completely, all the women in Mumbai, at least, it becomes that all the women know what martial art is, they can defend themselves, and that is the most important thing. All right? So Adi, you want to say something? Yeah, come.
Initially, I didn't have this confidence to come over here and say, and I've always been a very sheltered and underconfident person. I had an incident in my life. My friend was molested right before my eyes, and I just stood there and watched. I did nothing because I was too numb to react. Even now, when I came to Mumbai, going in crowded places, traveling by local, that was a nightmare. I wasn't very comfortable with this kind of a thing. So I can say, maybe you cannot fight always. It's not possible for you to fight and win over the other person. But that thing, at least you can do something. I stood there, I did nothing. And when I came here and fought, I was like, it's not that difficult. I could have done at least something. I could have hit that person, did anything on the go. It's about that thing. If something happens to you, the first thing you do, you get down. You don't react. You don't realize what's happening. It's 10 minutes after something happens that you realize it. Okay,
okay, something happened. So it's about that kind of awareness which I achieved from it.
So basically, I'm sure all the black belts here, सबको आपको एक चीज सिखाते होंगे, don't freeze. वहाँ खड़े मत हो जाओ. Do something. If somebody attacks you, do something. Hit him. Move your hand. Move your leg. Take a brick. Take a stone. Run. Just don't stand there. Freezing is not going to help you. It is something, doing something. For his action, you have to give a reaction. Right?
It's very important to give a reaction because last time also we had someone demonstrating in Akshay Ji and you tried to hold someone. I think that was a great demonstration. The confidence in someone to take on Akshay Ji as a black belt and put him down. It was one of y'all only. I don't know how many of you were here last time. It's a new batch. But यही तो मजा है कि अगर आप कुछ कर सकते हो, खुद को डिफेंड कर सकते हो, जो कॉन्फिडेंस होता है आप में कि मैं कहीं पे भी जा सकती हूँ, किसी भी वक्त जा सकती हूँ, कोई मुझे नहीं रोक सकता कि अरे ये कपड़े मत पहन के जाओ, यहाँ मत जाओ क्योंकि ये अनसेफ है. जो कॉन्फिडेंस में जो आप में कॉन्फिडेंस दिख रहा है, I think that is the most important thing and that's what we are trying to achieve. Not only throughout Mumbai but throughout India, and we need your help in spreading the word about this. I hope I can have your help on this. Would I?
Just have one last, that's it. Because then we'll ask Alia also to talk.
I got this news from my sir. He teaches in my school. So he announced one day that Akshay sir started a self-defense center. I and my sister were the one from the whole school to join this.
Okay.
So I thank him that he told me about this, and from this my confidence was
It's been raised up. Okay.
Now you should
So
get a
now
whole
you
school to join.
How old are you? 11.
and actually, you should tell your school to join.
Yeah.
I told my friend she's a black belt,
Okay.
so she.
She is a black belt. So she can come and teach.
That's very nice. Thank you very much.
Actually, I would like to thank everyone over here who just trained us. Today I'm wearing a one-piece, so it's not like, it's like I'm very confident about what I wear and where I go. So I'm not having the fear of people what they might be thinking about me or something.
What clothes you're wearing?
Yeah, right. So you
Doesn't
should not have
matter.
that fear. You should, you should be confident about what you are doing also. Even my sisters here, actually, we would join together here when we came to know about this, and it was really nice.
That's very good.
So I just want to tell one thing. This course, I'm really glad that you guys started it because first of all, it's free of cost. So every girl in every corner can actually come and access this course, even if she can't afford it. But she get the confidence to walk in mini skirts, or if she's going for parties or anywhere, she'll just have the confidence to react. It's her hidden power, and she's just going to self-realize it over here.
Now I would request Alia. I would like Alia to say something and what she did. And पहले भी मैं उनको थोड़ा भाषण दे चुका हूँ कि क्या होता है. So let's hear what Alia has.
Firstly, so I just want to thank you all. क्योंकि coming here is the first step towards knowing that you're no less and you are as important, if so more important, and you need to protect yourself. So this is the first step. So first, clap for yourselves. And secondly, I just want to share something. बचपन में बहुत कहते थे ना लोग कि लड़की अगर बाहर जा रही है तो रेली स्प्रे लेके घूमो. Today I am seeing live rally sprays in front of me. You don't need anything. You can pick anything up and you can just defend yourself. And the confidence and the attitude and everything that you all have talked about today, I really I'm feeling so inspired by this. क्योंकि मैं आके यहाँ पे भाषण दे सकती हूँ, but tomorrow if I'm in a situation like this, even I may freeze. Even I will become numb.
But now you're not going to freeze.
No, I will not freeze. I will not freeze, and I will remember this, that it's very important, and I think we should all spread the word. I mean, यहाँ पे दादी है, मम्मी है, सास है, बहू है, बेटी है. It's amazing. We can all come together and spread the word that martial arts, self-defense, and putting yourself in a scary situation is very important to know what to do.
So please spread the word. And another thing I want to say, just speaking from somebody's personal life story, nobody has the right to raise a hand on you, to say cheap things and wrong things to you. Nobody has the right. You are a woman, you are a girl, you are a lady. You create life. You have that ability to create life. We need to respect each other, of course, but also respect ourselves. If you don't give yourself that respect, the other man will not give yourself that respect. Stand up for yourself. And thank you all for
You want to say something? You want to say? Come. Come.
Yeah. Sabde.
Yeah, tell me.
Very keen at coming here and saying something, but maybe not very clear. So
Yeah,
I would like to
you
say on
can-
her
you can-
behalf that I came to know from my friend that this Women's Self-Defense Center is conducting these workshops, and I was I pushed my kids, Jasleen and Jia, one more daughter is sitting over there, and then I really realized I'm very confident right now. I'm from Delhi basically, and 15 years I've been staying in Mumbai, and in Delhi people are very aggressive, especially women. So I thought I'm very aggressive, very confident, I can handle these things. But then I realized after coming here, it is not just the confidence, it is the presence of mind. At times you can't fight 3-4 people together. You have to know the technique, and you have to be very thoughtful and intelligent how to react to that moment. So and I must say, sir, she knows better moves than me. She wants to say something.
Okay, say.
I think my name is Tasha Yoya. My parents to myself and tell her to go to myself. You can on my material.
Whoa.
My parents say you should study also and you should be strong to fight.
I go be on my child, my parents, my all teacher, oh my, yeah, oh my sir, oh my, you, God, I do myself forward.
Very good. Can you give me a punch? Let's see if you can punch me.
Not real.
No, that's okay. Okay. Really?
Fun.
Oh! Yeah. All right. Okay. So that's the end of it now. And I'm sure कि ऐसा भी नहीं है कि मैं ये बोलता हूँ कि graduation हो गया आप आगे नहीं सीख सकते हो. You're most welcome to again join it, come enjoy yourself, look at it as an exercise, learn more and more techniques, and you're most welcome. This is your house, and ये भी साथ में बोल देता हूँ, कभी ज़िंदगी में कुछ चीज़ की कोई बहुत बड़ी तकलीफ हो, you can talk to all the black belts here, and we can see what we can do to help anybody in some way or the other. Okay, we are all here together. We are all one family, and that's it. And just spread the word. Tell more and more people to come, the girls to come and join, and have a happy life. Okay. Thank you. Photo. How are we going to do photo?
I think we should just
Are
go
we
sit
already
there
going
after
to
the
do? Huh?
We just
You can be here.
Achha, so then, let's
Groups can come here.
Just one thing, wait. So what we do is, first this batch, we'll stand here. If you, it's okay.
Group
we
A,
can just
Group
stand.
A, raise your hand. Come here.
Okay.
Stand.
So we'll sit here. Okay. So where are you going to take the photos? Come behind. Okay, but it's a very big.
I told you to sit down. Don't worry.
Sit down.
Chalo. Smile, everyone. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Sit down. Sit down, please sit down. Sit down, please. Group A, go back side. Group A. Back, move back.
Okay, everybody with your punch. Come on.
अरे धागा ये नकली ना अच्छा जी एक मिनट हम देंगे ना फोटो मोबाइल से अच्छे से